All right, welcome back. Let's do some calls of the day. First Solar is called a top pick today at Mizuho. Joe, you own the stock. What do you think?
I do. Look at that reversal in the stock today. It's now down 6%. It was up this morning, up yesterday. Yesterday it was up on the back of the deal that was announced between Alphabet and Intersect Power. Understand Intersect is a customer of First Solar, so they should benefit there as Alphabet moves into clean energy. It's a recent addition to the ETF for us, so it's more guilty, awaiting to prove itself innocent. It's cheap on a valuation basis. It's had several runs over the last 17 years towards $300 and failed. We'll see what happens here. I don't like today's price action.
Okay, yeah, down 6%. Nice year, obviously, as you said. Live Nation, Josh, top pick at Evercore today. What do you think about this stock moving forward?
Look, I think this is a crown jewel type of name. There is no other way to play what is arguably one of the biggest secular trends of our lifetime. We thought people would lose interest in going to concerts sometime after 2021, 2022. If anything, it's intensified. That will not change next year. This is a one-stop shop to capture it.
Steph, you initially bought Estee Lauder on the 16th. You added more just 2 days later.
Yeah.
The target today to $100 at Jefferies.
I really like this story for 2026, Scott. I really think this turnaround is just beginning with this new CEO. The U.S. and China are seeing a recovery in prestige, makeup, and cosmetics, and they have a margin rebuild plan as well. So I think if they can get the execution right, they've got the products, and they're working on the cost-cutting side. So I really like the setup for 2026.
It's notable, though, that they raised the target to only $100. Stock's at 107.5.
Yeah, I mean, I think it goes. I think it
sounds
goes a
like
lot
it's
higher.
like maybe they're non-believers.
I think it's a show me story, Scott, right? And so I believe I like what the program is. It's called Beauty Reimagined Strategy. That's what they're calling this turnaround. And, you know, this CEO has been at the company for such a long time, and he knows the prestige market very, very well. I think China really was a problem for them in terms of their distribution, and they're fixing all of this. And so I think it'll be a slow turn, but I think it's a turn.
Okay. AME is a record high today. Ametek. Joe, that's you?
It did, industrial name in the right place as it relates to electrical equipment and supplies, whether it's commercial aerospace or utilities itself, seeing really strong momentum. Having exposure to commercial aerospace has been important in 2025 and in 2024. One of the names we've owned over the last several years has been Howmet.
Yeah.
Howmet has been really, really strong tailwinds there. But Ametek continues to press higher. It's cheap on a valuations basis. I think Josh has it in best stocks in the market. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I heard him mention that as well.
He talked about,
we did it 3 weeks ago.
Yeah,
I mean, obvious
FedEx.
Breakout and no sellers in sight.
I'm sorry. You talked about FedEx yesterday. I bring it up because it was reiterated by Deutsche. Quite ironically, they say one of the most inexpensive names in our coverage posted the best numbers to close out the year. Yeah. Again, you highlighted it yesterday, so give us a little reminder as to why.
Yeah, look, this is a stock that I was surprised to see it on the best stocks in the market list because they've had a lot of the same challenges at UPS, but there's a turnaround happening here, and when they reported last week, I think that was solidified in the minds of investors. I mentioned 300 to 315 as an area that's been resistance multiple times. It's going to make another run at that. I think this time she gets through. One thing to keep in mind is that in June, they're going to be spinning off the troubled freight division into its own publicly traded company. The ticker will be FDFX, and a lot of people are talking FDXF, and a lot of people are talking about that as a moment that will unlock a lot of shareholder value here.